let's free up some of that precious storage space on your Series X or S. So let's go into Halo Infinite here, and we go ahead and click the menu button, go down to Manage Games and Add-ons, then click on the game itself, hit Manage the Installation of Internal Storage, and you'll see here that you have the base game and then campaign as well too as options. So if you just want the base game and not the campaign part of it, you just uncheck that and it will actually remove that from the console, which is pretty cool. You can also do this at the point of installation as well too, and selectively choose, depending on the games that support it, what parts of the game you actually want on the console to play. So you may not want to play campaign mode right now or a specific mode on the game now. You can choose to play that later if you want to and save yourself some storage space, because you may just want just the base game or something. You can also go into My Games and Apps, and if you go down to the Manage section and go up to Free Up Space, right within there you can see that you can free up anything that's sort of like leftover add-ons, some uninstalled games that can be shrunken down. It'll kind of analyze that and give you the options there. I don't have anything on this particular system right now, but it'll analyze that and let you know how much space you can save if you want to get rid of all that stuff, because it's really about downloading and having what you want on your console and not just trying to spread everything around and adding expanded storages and things like that. Download what you need for what you want to play as you need it on your console.